Hello again. Here is an arithmetic sequence question. The arithmetic sequence has got a third term of minus 10 and a 12th term of 26. We've got to find the first term and the common difference. So we're going to be using our little equation that we've got for the nth term. Now we've been told about two terms. So we know that the third term, so that's t3. And we know that that is a plus, now n minus 1, 3 minus 1 would be 2 times the d, and we know that that is negative 10. We also know the 12th term, so t12, and that is a plus n minus 1 times d. Now this time n minus 1 is 11 times d, and we know that that is equal to 26. So there's our two equations from the information they've told us, and we have to find from this, we have to work out what a and d are, a the first term, d the common difference. And we're going to solve these simultaneous equations. Now you can do these algebraically, or you can do them using the calculator. So I might do both methods, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, first thing is, we don't really need the T3 and the T12 part of this because it's all about the A's, D's and the numbers, so I'll just write them underneath. What I've got is, and I actually like the look of, I'm going to put the T12 on the top. You can put these up in whichever way you like, so I'm going to write A plus 11D equals 26. That's the T12 one first. Underneath that I'm going to write A plus 2D equals negative 10. Okay. I did that because I know I'm going to subtract these equations one from the other. So that's equation 1 and that's equation 2. I'm now going to subtract them. And this will happen. I'll just give myself a bit more space. There we go. If you subtract them, you get A minus A, which is nothing. You get 11D minus 2D, which is 9D. And here we get 26 minus 10. 26 minus 10. That's the same as 26 plus 10, which is 36. That should be plus there. Okay, now I can nearly find out what d is. If I divide both sides by 9 now, the 9's will divide out on this side, and d equals 36 divided by 9, which is 4. Okay, I've got my d. Now I have to just substitute this back into one of my equations to find what a is. Now I look for the simplest looking one. Oh, I suppose I'll just put it back in my equation 1. So let's see what happens. So from that I get a plus 11 times 4, because d is 4, remember, I've just worked that out, and that equals 26. So a plus 44 equals 26. Just go down a bit more room, and a equals 26 minus 44. A equals minus 18. So first term is negative 18. Common difference is 4. And now that was what I had to show. If I go right up to the question, whoops, there we go. Find the first term and the common difference. Let me just show you doing the same thing on a calculator, because you might prefer to do it that way rather than go through that algebraic way of doing these things. What we're going to do is we just have to put in this, and the calculator can do that all for you very quickly. So let's go over there now. We need the main screen, and you'll need the keyboard, and it's this symbol here with the dark bit in the back and the rectangles. There we go. That's the one you're looking for. In the first square rectangle, you're going to put in the first equation, a plus 11d. You could change it to x's and y's, but I'll do it with a's and d's because I've got the ABC just here on the calculator. So my first equation is going to be a plus 11d equals 26. Second equation is going to be a plus 2d equals negative 10. Only just fitting on my computer screen here. There we go, got it. In this little box here, you have to tell the calculator which variables you're trying to find, and we're trying to find a and d, so in there you must put a, comma, d. Just check that I've put the numbers right. Levels in the air, and that's all looking good, and then just an XE should get it to work it all out for us. A is negative 18 and D is 4, so it, you know, does of course the job very quickly and easily for you. Well, I don't think it hurts to know the algebraic method, but if you don't like that so much, there we go, there's the calculator way of solving these things as well. Okay, and that is that.